In this video, I will be doing a do-it-yourself repair on this E39 M5. I'm going to be replacing the windshield cowl located there. And as you can see, it's already starting to deteriorate here. And this prevents water from getting into the firewall in there, so it should be replaced. It's not too bad, but it's getting there. In order to remove the windshield cowl, you'll need a few tools. You'll need to get a wiper arm puller. It makes it much easier. Then you get one of these things, a pry bar that will not harm the finish. You'll need a 16mm 5/8 socket. You'll need to remove the cabin air filters on both sides, all the associated clips, and the wiper arms. Okay, removing the wiper covers here. And it looks like I don't need the pry tool. It just comes off. I'm going to use the socket wrench to remove the nut. Okay, I didn't need to use the pry tool, just came off. Okay, and I need to use the pry tool to get the this block out. Okay, before working on the passenger side wiper, I'm going to go ahead and I mark the windshield, the position of the wiper on the windshield so I can mount it back the correct way. Need to take off this cover here and these covers here to expose the bolts. And it has a little slot there, so you'll be able to take those off. And I can take this off. And then we'll get you'll need a 13mm socket to undo those bolts. And they're not too tight. Just take them off by hand here. And let's see if I can pull this off without using the the puller here. So you can just rock it back and forth. Well, it's a little tight, so I'm going to go ahead and use the puller. There goes one. And no, need to do the second one. There's the second one. Okay, again, remembering the position, and I'll make sure I mount it the same way. Okay, now we're ready to take off the cabin air filters. Okay, next we're going to take all these off, and you unscrew them, bring them up, and then you pop them out. Okay, once out, you can just pull this out. See, it's already so brittle, it's crumbling. You'll need to remove these things here. There's 3 of them. Continue to pop this out. Okay, it's out. As you can see, it's really deteriorating. It's time to replace this piece. Looks like it had some kind of seal here. Okay, comparing the two, this is original equipment OEM, and it is part number 51718159292, and it was ordered from FCP Euro. It's a solid piece versus some other aftermarket ones come in two pieces. Okay, comparing the old one with the new one, it's a perfect fit, same holes, and it comes with new seals here, 1, 2, and 3. So it's an exact match. It's the benefit of ordering original equipment. And it's the same part number, 51718159292, versus some of the other aftermarkets come in two pieces. Okay, getting ready to reinstall the windshield cowl. Be sure to clean in this area here because you may have pieces from the old one in there and want to clean that all up. So I already did that, and it's just a matter of just lining everything up. And put this underneath. Okay, I got it in, and it might be a little tricky because you have to align the holes, and there's a engine harness here that you'll need to have it sit correctly around that harness. So we got it in. Now I'm just going to put in the push tabs here all the way across, and then secure the rest of it. Okay, it's important to make sure that these end points here, the rubber is wrapped around here and is connected right above there to the cowl on both sides. Okay, these are the old gasket covers that cover up the holes. And if you didn't buy new ones, you'll need to reuse them by taking them apart and inserting them in each opening there. Okay, on reassembly, you're going to use these again, and please note they are of different sizes. The two smaller ones go here, and the large one the larger hole goes on this one here. Okay, on reassembly, I'm going to install the passenger side one first, and I'll need to align it so it the arm lines up with my mark there. And let's see, I think it's a little too low here. Okay, I put in my 13-inch nuts and aligned it as best as I could to that piece of tape I have there. And go ahead and secure this. I don't know the torque, but I'm making this as tight as it was when I first took it off, which wasn't too tight. I think that's pretty sure that's the correct position. Okay, now I'm ready for the driver's side. I need to put in the block first that was previously removed, and then put in the blade, and go by my mark here. I could see the window was a little dirty, so I can see where it was. It was about right there, so that should be good. And put this piece back in, and then the 16 millimeter nut, and tighten that down. Again, I don't know the torque, but I put as much torque on it as the amount of force I used to remove it. Okay, everything seems to be in order. Lastly, I'm going to put these little caps back on. And there's the caps. They just pressed in. Okay, everything seems to be in order. make sure these are completely in to make a good seal here. And I'll just take off my little tape here that I used to mark the window. One last step here is to put the covers back on. So that's just snaps in place. And this one here. And that completes the install of my windshield wiper cowl. Hope you enjoyed and got something out of this video. Thanks for watching.